Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, dear friends. Hope you are doing great. And today in this video, we are going to see a conversation which is your favorite. So last time I had done a poll to ask what we want, like grammar lessons or like conversations or other stuff. And a lot of you replied like conversation. Actually, conversation got the more poll compared to other options. But here is the thing. We can like learn a lot of cool stuff like conversation, slang words, verbs, all of that. But if we don't consider learning grammar, we are doing a very wrong thing because grammar is like the foundation. So if we skip that part, then the other efforts you put into learn the language will not be that effective. So we need grammar and we need conversation. So right now actually what we are going in with is vowel diacritics. So we'll do that like 2 or 3 videos continuously about it, and in between I may put a video like this, a conversation or a slang word or some random words or something like that, not for not getting bored in between. I know, kind of boring, but at the same time, it is very, very important to learn grammar along with all of this. Okay, so let's get started without further delay. So this is happening in a theater, before theater, and after theater. Okay, so two friends are going for a movie. Sachin says, നമുക്ക് ഇന്നൊരു സിനിമയ്ക്ക് പോയാലോ? നമുക്ക് ഇന്നൊരു സിനിമയ്ക്ക് പോയാലോ? Shall we go for a movie today? നമുക്ക് means we, for us. ഇന്നൊരു means today, one. So inna is today and oru means one. Cinemakki, cinema is movie or cinema, film. You can say whatever you want. Movie today. So shall we go for a movie today? Namukku innoru cinemakki poyalo. So that is like an offer. Salman is the other character in this conversation. He says, എനിക്ക് ഇന്ന് പറ്റില്ല. എനിക്ക് ഇന്ന് പറ്റില്ല. I cannot today. എനിക്കിന്ന് പറ്റില്ല. ഒരു സ്ഥലം വരെ പോവാനുണ്ട്. Have to go to a place. ഒരു സ്ഥലം is place. വരെ പോവാനുണ്ട്. ഒരു സ്ഥലം വരെ പോവാനുണ്ട്. Have to go to a place. Sachin, നാളെ പോയാലോ? What about tomorrow? Salman says, നാളെ പോവാം. പക്ഷേ ഏത് ഷോയ്ക്ക്? Can go tomorrow, but for which show? നാളെ പോവാം. പക്ഷേ ഏത് ഷോയ്ക്ക്? Can go tomorrow, but for which show? Sachin, വൈകിട്ടത്തെ ഷോയ്ക്ക് പോയാലോ? Which means, shall we go for evening show? Or it's like, what about evening show? So Salman says, sheri, which means okay. Sachin says, ഏത് പടത്തിന് പോവും? So this is kind of the only word you usually will hear when Malayalis talk about film. That is a Malayalam word for film or a movie is padam. ഏത് പടത്തിന് പോകും? But in writings, when it comes to Malayalam writings, you can see they are referring it as chitram, which is the literal meaning for a picture. So that is the two Malayalam words that you'll hear about a movie. But when it comes in conversation, they will say like padam. ഏത് പടത്തിന് പോകും? For which movie shall we go? Salman, ലാലേട്ടന്റെ ഒരു പുതിയ പടമുണ്ട്, അതിനു പോവാം. There is a new Lal movie. We'll go for that. So there are like two main heroes in Malayalam industry. You either come across, you Go and talk to Malayali. He's either a Mohanlal fan or a Mammootty fan or a fan of both. So you can talk about it a lot if you know about them. So that is Mohanlal. Laletan is what the fans and the people call him, because Etan, we have learned, his elder brother, his name is Lal, so that is how people call him. So Salman is just suggesting whether we can see that movie where there is a new movie where Lal is the hero, so we can go for that. So Sachin says, എനിക്ക് ഏതായാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. എനിക്ക് ഏതായാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. Anything is fine for me. Anything is fine for me. എനിക്ക് ഏതായാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. So Salman says, നാളെ നാളെ 6 മണിയുടെ ഷോ. Then tomorrow 6 o'clock show. So they are fixing the plan. അപ്പോൾ നാളെ 6 മണിയുടെ ഷോ. Then tomorrow 6 o'clock show. So Sachin is asking, ടിക്കറ്റ് അവിടെ ചെന്ന് എടുക്കണോ അതോ ഓൺലൈൻ ആയി കിട്ടുമോ? ടിക്കറ്റ് അവിടെ ചെന്ന് എടുക്കണോ അതോ ഓൺലൈൻ ആയി കിട്ടുമോ? Should the ticket be taken from there or will it be there online? Should the ticket be from there or will it be there online? Ticket അവിടെ ചെന്ന് means from there. എടുക്കണോ, എടുക്കുക means to take. അതോ ഓൺലൈൻ ആയി കിട്ടുമോ? കിട്ടുമോ means will we get it? കിട്ടുമോ, ഓൺലൈൻ ആയി കിട്ടുമോ? സൽമാൻ says, ഓൺലൈൻ ആയി എടുക്കാം, ഞാൻ നോക്കട്ടെ. ഓൺലൈൻ ആയി എടുക്കാം, ഞാൻ നോക്കട്ടെ. Will take online, let me see. Will take online, let me see. സച്ചിൻ എന്നാൽ നാളെ കാണാം. Then see you tomorrow. Salman says ശരി, which means okay. So in the theater, Sachin is asking, ticket എടുത്തോ? Took ticket? Salman says ഓൺലൈനിൽ കിട്ടി, which means got online. And when interval came, they are having a small conversation. The Sachin is asking like, നിനക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും കഴിക്കാനോ കുടിക്കാനോ വേണോ? നിനക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും കഴിക്കാനോ കുടിക്കാനോ വേണോ? That is asking, do you need something to eat? കഴിക്കാനോ means, do you want something to eat? കഴിക്കുക means eat. Or drink. കുടിക്കുക means drink. Do you need something to eat or drink? Salman says, എനിക്കൊരു കാപ്പി കുടിക്കാൻ തോന്നുന്നു. I feel like having a coffee. Sachin says, ശരി, ഞാൻ വാങ്ങിക്കാം. Sachin says, okay, I'll buy. And the film is over, and after the film, Sachin is asking, film എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? It always happens when a film is done, we'll always ask for opinions. So Sachin is asking, film എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? How was the film? Salman says, അടിപൊളി, എനിക്ക് കുറെ ഇഷ്ടമായി. നിനക്കോ? അടിപൊളി means great. I liked it a lot. എനിക്ക് കുറെ ഇഷ്ടമായി. കുറെ means lot. ഇഷ്ടമാവുക means like. For you, നിനക്കോ? For you. Sachin says, കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ഒരു തവണ കാണാം. കുഴപ്പമില്ല means he feels like it is just okay, a one-time watch movie. ഒരു തവണ കാണാം, one-time watch. Okay, so that was our conversation. I hope you learned a lot in this conversation, and I know how much you all love conversation, but again, as I said, we need grammar also. We need to think about that also. But I'll bring up new conversation, new innovative, where you can learn a lot, phrases, verbs, new words. Okay, so that was it, and as always, please like the video and share with your friends. And if you are here for the first time, please hit on that subscribe button and subscribe it so that you will get all the new videos from me. Okay, so that was it for today. Nani for watching, and namaskaram.